tree.
Where it's just symbiotic. Each one help one and make such a majestic look.
It looks like in Madagascar.
It does look like that, doesn't it? Because we are in paradise.
The Johnson family. Where Irie living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
So just coming from my appointment, procedure all done now, and have instruction as to how to carry it for the next 2 weeks before going back to get the next step of our action once everything is over. So feeling good so far, and looking forward to seeing how the process all ends or pan out. Still feeling a bit heavy from the anesthetic, but otherwise feeling okay. No pain or anything, but we'll see what the threshold shows once the anesthetic has worn off. And I'll keep you posted with this journey to getting it back into its healthy form. I've decided today that I'm going to take a walk to the Manchester Parish Library and see what it's like. Haven't been here in a long time. So adults can go upstairs, but I'm just going to go around and have a look. Hello, Wagwan, big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad.
Welcome back to another video, Jam Fam Tribe.
So in today's video, we're just going to talk about our visit to YS Falls and celebration of Eliona's birthday on a couple days ago. So now she's 13, and we went to celebrate that. So it was just so surreal to go there, because since we've come back to Jamaica, we haven't really gone and done anything of a touristy sense. The most we've done is we went out and to the arcade, and other than the normal going places that we have to go. So how did you find going to the YS Falls?
I really enjoyed it, especially the like spa-ish zone in the river. So it's like a big waterfall, and it splashes down in the rocks and creates all these bubbles.
Oh.
And if you put your back towards it, it feels like a rock massage.
Yeah, that's one of the bit that we didn't record, because we went in and it was quite a lovely experience to do that.
And lots of people were screaming because it was cold. Since I grew up in one of the coldest countries, I was probably not even in the top 10. But still, some people consider it cold.
So it is cold, but you were able to manage that cold, and different people have different hot and cold threshold. The water was cold. So when I went into the water, it was cold,
I wish
but
I
it gradually our bodies got acclimatized to it gradually as we went along. But the experience, the environment, the surrounding looked so untouched by human destruction. So it was just a remarkable place to just sit and relax and to just breathe and enjoy the environment that has clearly been taken care of to preserve it while still using it as a tourist destination.
I like the adult pool. Technically it's an adult pool because all the kids were in the chalet.
Okay, so you meant the pool that...
Yeah, the 5-foot pool.
Okay.
because it reminds me of my old pool. So it reminds me of my old swimming pool that was about 7 foot deep in the deepest part of it, and I got to finally be able to swim in a pool and remind myself of all of the moves I learned as a professional swimmer at the age of, well, I became one at 12 and I'm now 13.
So the good thing about it was, so since you did your last swimming lesson in August,
that was the last time I went in a pool, except
you haven't been in a pool again since now when we went. So it was a good thing for you, wasn't it? Because you kept saying, "Oh, I need to go to the pool," and finally you did, which was good. What else was it? What else did you like about it there?
The picnic area.
Mm.
I like how it's peaceful.
Mm.
And you get in the very middle, so you get to see all the space. But the creepiest thing is that you just see people screaming for their lives as there's like lining across the whole park.
Yeah, I don't quite understand why they go on it if they're then going to be screaming the place down. But it was a busy day, but it wasn't too busy to be overcrowded. You could find places to be throughout the park, which was good.
Oh, and there was a rope swing, but I saw that it looked like it was framed, and I'd like to survive for the next at least 112 years.
So you weren't prepared to go on it, and also even the river along the way going up to the park and all the different horses and the cattle that we saw along the way. Or the shuttle ride, yeah.
I got to see all of the different sites.
Yeah, it was quite good. There are some of the views and some of the other bits that we have some footage that we're going to put in now just to give you a look. And if you want to watch a bit more of it, of YS Falls, then our previous video have some of the activities that we did there, but we're going to put some of the footage here now so that you can have a look at. That is so majestic. Look at it. Oh. Building new memories. Vacation moments. Yeah. I think it's probably because of the
live on there.
Yep. And they are several hundreds of years old. And themselves. It's so divine how nature works.
Look at the palm tree.
Where it's just symbiotic. Each one help one and make such a majestic look.
Looks like in Madagascar.
It does look like that, doesn't it? Because we are in paradise, Jamaica. Did it? It's a little taste of it. A step into nature. There's a footpath. Don't know where it leads, and I'm not going to try and find out. At least not today, but I think it goes around through there behind these plants and then comes back out down there where that footpath is and those palm trees are. Wow, this landscape is just awesome, breathtaking. Check it out. I can take this off when I'm going in the water. Wow. We're nearing the top.
This sounds like in water, really. Does it sound like water? Like rain. When it looks like rain.
Magic tour bus. Really, round and round on the magic tour bus. Let me get a photo with you.
When on your actual birthday, when we did our wake up thing, which we tend to do almost every birthday, so that was
I was awake before, and normally you come like half an hour before my alarm goes off, because when my birthday comes, most of the time it's on a weekend, so I'm not getting up until midday. And then you come in my room and I look at the clock and I'm like, it's 7 o'clock. It's nowhere near my wake up time. Then okay then, let's say the same. Happy birthday. But because now I'm in Jamaica and it was in a school morning and I'm having to wake up after 5 to get to school by 7:45 at the latest. And my mom doesn't normally wake up until about 6:30. Then my mom woke up earlier, which I was a bit surprised because I was already up. I was just doing my morning routine. And then I hear, happy birthday to you. What on earth? I thought she was sleeping.
Well, one has to make the effort. It's a prized birthday, so we needed to make that effort to get it done. And in the afternoon we managed to just do the cake because we didn't want to get late to do it in the morning, so we did it in the afternoon this time, which was good as well.
Probably because normally we do it in the morning because we have a car, so it didn't really matter if I was running late because we can zoom there. And normally on my birthdays you get on straight to school. Like for example, my last one we got me exactly in the school car park. Our normal spot that I work up. Yeah. So then I wasn't really that late. Okay.
So I do think that that's probably one of the things. And so in the afternoon also when we wrap up the birthday, and we had do you want to say what we did for the activity?
So after we devoured our cake, we were going to watch a birthday movie, but I think that's when our internet went out, so we weren't able to do that. So we decided to play a game, and one of my favorite games is matchsticks. So if you don't know what matchsticks is, you can see it on one of our YouTube shorts if it hasn't come out yet.
And I will put some video of the game that we were actually playing so that you can see what it looks like.
Let's roll into that video.
Okay. After all that celebration, we're trying to finish off our night, and we're doing
a brain blast challenge called matchsticks.
And so I've done one of my turn, and it's now Eliona's turn, and we're going to just see how she gets this one done. So I've already set it up, and she needs to move 3 matchsticks. So according to it, she needs to move 3 matchsticks to make 4 equilateral triangles, and there can't be any overlapping sticks. So let me just show you. So that's what she's got set up already, and she needs to move 3 matchsticks to make 4. So that's what it is. So let's see how she's going to get that done.
How many matchsticks can I move?
3. So you can move 3 matchsticks to make 4 equilateral triangles and no overlapping.
Does that count as overlapping if we're sharing the same stick? It didn't work. I was going to do this across there, but I forgot that you need the line to be there instead.
Okay.
So I'm going to put it there.
Alright then.
Can I have any hints?
Okay. We'll try and figure out a hint and then come back. Can you guys solve this puzzle? And if so, tell us how you've solved it. Have a go at it and tell us how you've solved it in the comment below. That face look like you've cracked it, have you?
I think I have an idea.
Okay, well let's have a look at it then.
The question didn't say that they all have to be the same size. It just says they have to be the actual triangles. Meaning all the sides are the same.
But remember, you have to use all the sticks. So you just need to make 1 more. Wow.
Would you just make it bigger? No, that wouldn't be appropriate. I think I have it.
Okay. Okay. Well, the sizes are different. It didn't say anything about that. There's no overlapping. And there are 4 of them.
Did you guys get this answer? Put it in the comment section down below.
Okay. And I think that is the actual answer from the solution. Let's see. It is.
Let's show the camera. 15.
It's going. It's going.
Okay.
So, you solved it.
Yeah. Next one. The tables have turned. This is what my mum has to deal with. And the question states, you must move 2 matchsticks to release the ice block, aka the button. No pressure, but you've been placed in the hot seat.
And if I do that, that doesn't work because it's still in the cup, right? So let's just put it back. I'm going to move this. And then move that one. I think that one works. So the other one would just be up inverted, isn't it?
Yeah.
And works out.
You've officially been freed from the hot seat, as you have freed the ice.
Okay, well.
No pun intended.
Okay, let's see if she can do this one, because this one is going to require some thinking.
What's the question?
Okay, so you need to turn those 3 matchsticks into 6.
That's easy.
You think so?
Yes.
Okay, guys, are you able to solve this one? If you are, tell us how you would do so in the description below.
Comment in 3, 2, 1. Have you thought? Comment down below.
Okay, me want to see how you're solving.
There.
Oh my goodness, that one was quick.
Roman numerals, because VI is 6 in Roman numerals.
Okay.
It also consists of technically 3 matchsticks if you split it up.
I was like, is she going to figure this one out quickly or not? But
Wait, but
this
does
one
the
was
answer
quick.
key actually say Roman numerals, or is there a different way I can calculate it? Oh, it is. Okay, that was easy. That's fine.
Alright then. That's fine. So how do you feel to be 13 now?
I don't feel anyway. It was like a normal day. Normally, I'm over the top when it's my birthday. Then it's not really as much of a change, like 7 to 8, comparing to 9 to double digits 10. But now I'm turning into a teenager. I don't really feel any different. Because normally 13 is the mature number. You've left the children. You're now a teenager, and you're going to soon move into adulthood.
This is an adolescent. There is going to be certain levels of expectations now moving forwards, but we'll take it in our own strides. But it's just good to know that things are progressing and you are managing it quite well.
If you guys would like me to release my first album as a 13-year-old, comment down below.
Okay. Okay then. Well, thank you for watching another one of our videos.
Thank you for getting us up to 157 subscribers. We really appreciate it, and hopefully it can get to 500 soon.
And that's the number at the point of recording this, and we are appreciating you for your constant viewing, and those of us who are coming back repeatedly. There are lots of you who are watching on a regular basis
and not subscribed. Why aren't you subscribed? Click that subscribe button.
We appreciate you for doing so. So go ahead and click it so that you get our notification. Bye for now.
Bye bye.
See you in the next one.